Good morning, everybody. It's 9:36 and 8 seconds on September 13th, Thursday, September 13th. This is the drawing for the Silver Surfer number 4, graded 6.5. Beautiful Thor cover. Over here on the left-hand side are the 27 filled spots. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go down. Alright, let's quickly roll our 3 dice. The number is only 5. I'm going to randomize 5 times. The name at the top of the list is going to win the book. This is free shipping inside the United States. International participants, should somebody internationally win, I will contact you and you will have to pay the actual shipping cost. It will go out in today's mail. So good luck, and away we go. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the final one. 5. Spot 16, John Gray. Congratulations. Time is 9:37 and 14.